If you're trying to schedule your Instagram post but not sure where to start, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to schedule a post on Instagram, so your content goes live at the perfect time automatically. First of all, open up your Instagram app. Then go to your profile by tapping here. Press on this plus icon here. Select here what you want to post, like I am creating a post. Press here to select media. Choose photos you want to upload and press next. Add songs, do edits, add texts, and further finalize your post, and press next. Scroll down and tap on More Options. In Sharing Preference section, enable Schedule this post. Choose the date and time like am, scheduling for May 5, 5:20 p.m. Go back and press on Schedule, and your Instagram post will be scheduled. But problem appears when you want to edit to your scheduled posts. Is this really possible? Again, go to your profile, tap on these three lines. Here, search for scheduled content and tap on it. Here you'll see all your scheduled posts. Tap on the post. Then tap on these three dots. Select the option according to your preference and do your work. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.